Okay, so this is another thing that I have been prescribed here. This is a vape cartridge by the company Curaleaf. So the way this worked is I had to be approved first by the doctor. So I think they did a check because I did have a previous history of asthma. So I had to sign like a self-declaration form. And then the first thing I did was purchase the actual vape itself, which looks like this. It's just a rechargeable vape, USB-C from what I can see here. It didn't come with any, oh no, it did. There's a charging cable here. Yeah, so that's a charging cable, quite small. Yeah, so quite a small charging cable. So I bought this first, so this was initially prescribed, and then once the actual vape cartridge itself was approved, which took about 3 or 4 additional days, I was then prescribed that, and then I paid for the prescription and it was sent separately. Now, according to the dosage here, it's saying 1 puff needed when required and then wait 30 minutes. And then I can increase it myself up to a maximum of 5 puffs 4 times a day. And I believe this vape cartridge has 200 milligrams of THC and 200 milligrams of CBD. And it's a 0.5 gram cartridge. Okay, so let's open it and see what it looks like. Okay, so that's all it is. So this just slots into place. There isn't really any click or anything. Yeah, I mean, I guess you just follow that zigzag pattern. And there we go. So this is the vape cartridge. The reason I wanted this, I initially wanted something which doesn't have a smell, just to be a bit more discreet at work. So I asked initially for the like liquid or oil, and then the doctor suggested to try this. He says it's a lot more discreet, so I'll give it a try. So this is the Curaleaf vape cartridge, vape and vape cartridge. Let me know your thoughts, and thanks for watching.